Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder fix. Right-click folder, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Advanced, click Change under Owner. Type Everyone, click Check Names. Check Replace ANS Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Also check Replace ANS all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Click Apply, click Yes. Click Edit, add everyone, check names, check all options. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.